What's up, guys? Are you ready for a quick demo of what is a team workspace and what it can do for your business? I'm very excited to introduce this tool because it will not only help the business owner but also the team to be more productive, to feel more effective, and overall the business to be able to finally grow. The major problem small businesses face is that you still work on your daily operations rather than focusing on high valuable tasks like growing the business, partnering, building new locations, or whatever you want for your business to grow. If that happens to you, then the team workspace can probably help you solve this issue. So let's get into the demo of what is the team workspace. And I'm going to take the example of a small event company with 10 employees. What you see here is a simplified version of a clarity map. A clarity map helps creating the team workspace. It helps us to clarify who works in the company, what they are doing or supposed to do, and how to allocate the tasks in the company better so that everybody is not overworked, there is as little as possible bottlenecks, and we can also define how to perform those tasks and make sure that those people are able to do their work in the best possible way. So the thing that you see here is for the event company who is trying to organize a weekend conference in Da Nang. It's a city in central Vietnam. And the first task will be to find a venue for this event. Those are the two blue tasks here. Now, when you need to find a venue, who are the people who are involved? And I've put them into colors. So for example, you have the event director and the event planner, you have the finance and administrative officer, then you have the sales representative, we have the marketing, and then you have the operation department. When we go inside a team collaborative workspace, and that's why it's helping your company to collaborate better, we are able to organize the knowledge, tasks, projects, and all the things that run the operations per department here. So for example, if I move to the sales team, they will be able to find not only their documentation, you could add also like budget, you could add different things about the processes related to sales. You also find their tasks, and of course with assignees, deadlines, and some notes. So if I open the task here, for example, contact client AB, it's related to that customer, so we can easily see what are the tasks that will be connected to that customer. We can also connect tasks to events. So that means it's easy to track and to see what tasks are for who, for when, related to what event, what customer, and there is no need to find this information. The information arrives to you whenever you need it, whenever you are looking at it. So that's a big difference compared to any other tool where you would need to chat with people, ask them again, search for the documentation and never find it because you've named it in a certain way, and it's very hard to organize a company like that. So imagine that for the sales, you have 3 salespeople. Tomorrow, it will not make any difference basically with that system because they will just join the sales team. They would have their own workspace with their own tasks, and it would be super helpful for them. Then on the third column here, you have the dashboards where all the company will be able to find progress that you made. And then on the last column here, you can have more documents related to how to use this workspace, how to onboard an employee, how to offboard someone, what are the company missions, values, and other different documents. On the bottom of those little quick access links, you have the tasks of all the company. And then on the bottom here, you have the events because it's an event company. So events are, so for example, we have the welcoming summer event here that I prepared for this demo. And here you have the event task. So you could obviously add some tasks here for the finance department to check the budget. First of all, if it wasn't not for the finance, you can easily move it to, for example, the sales. And then whenever you go back to the workspace, the sales team will easily see that they need to check the budgets. Then they can see, oh, it's related to this event, so let's do it for today, and I'm going to assign this guy, so it's me, it's for the date of tomorrow, etc., etc. And then immediately it puts the task into order of priority based on the dates for when it is due and so on. And you can obviously easily change that to say, no, please do it today actually, and move forward like that. Now, you might say, even if we have different events, we might have the same tasks on a recurring basis. So what about automation? And that's where it's really powerful, because you can, so you see here, for example, just to find a venue, we have 7 different tasks that will always be the same. So to do this, we can use the team collaboration workspace. It's super easy to automate a certain things based on a certain events. So for example, whenever I confirm my event, it will trigger and it will create different tasks for the management, for the finance, for the operations, for the marketing, and for the sales. Of course, it's just examples here, so it might be not really accurate, but you see the idea. Let's say you are organizing this welcoming summer conference, and we have a go. Let's confirm. If you confirm, what it does is it starts creating the tasks I showed you automatically. When you see those tasks, they will appear directly inside the different workspace of the teams. So if we go to the sales, we find our tasks for this event, the welcoming summer, and we can see that we need to do this. Now, let's assume that the sales is doing this task. So present option to client, yes, done. And let's assume that the marketing is also doing their task. So boom, I've done it. Now, if we go back to the event page, the good thing is we can see that now the progress bar has improved. It went from 0 to 28%. And we can start, let's say, during a meeting with the customer, but also during a meeting with the owner, he can see that there is progress made. He can exactly see what are the progress that they made, and this on the company level. So if you go to the dashboards here, now you see that the dashboards had evolved. In yellow here is the not done task, and in blue here is the done task. So you see here, I've started to put 2 tasks as done. So we start to see productivity moving forward, and that's important. And we can actually see the details here. So those are the to-do remaining, and then we can see that this is the done task. Well done, sales team. Well done, marketing team. You've done a great job. So I hope you understand the logic between what your company is and what are the people who will run it, and then how to run it with a team workspace like I'm offering. The good thing is you can see a case study of what I've done for an event company actually here in Da Nang. I will put the link in the description if you are interested to check it out. And of course, if you have questions on how to get it done for your company, I will also put the link to directly book a call with me, and we can meet. If you are in Da Nang, we can have a coffee, or I will be happy to visit your office and meet your team as well. And let's get started in studying how a team workspace can help you with your business. Thank you for watching this demo. I'm Nicolas from Scale in Peace, and I wish you a lot of success with your small business. Bye, guys.